bridge itself. A lot of EP down here too. One there side.
Oh, this we can grind it out.
It's starting to come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back in. So I don't waste my shield out. Oh, there's so
lot
much
of EP here now.
EP. Yeah.
Probably the only part on that. Oh, that's a swap. Yeah, I'm going back.
Going up.
Bad Nova there, right on the reach.
I'm up. Top.
Starting to follow.
They coming, some coming.
They're coming.
Okay, shocking now.
That's it.
You got it?
Yeah.
DB now, DB now.
No, I'm dead. Oh, there's a camp?
Ah, they got me fast on that one. Just taking it.
Mike's asking if we got room for more.
Yeah. Oh, I'll pass you the.
I think they coming now direct. They all coming now direct.
Hell yeah. That's what we want. Just not all of them. Okay, they're all coming. We got a kite. We got a kite. Hope I didn't make food. Keep kiting. Hey, we go to the left, boys. Right here, right here. Right. Oh yeah, we good. We good.
You have the crown though.
Almost have an all.
You almost?
Small
Okay, okay, we'll grind it out then. Grind it out until you get the Nova.
Okay, I have it now.
Okay, shocking now. Okay, yeah, fuck, shocking again. Fuck, man, it's. But. Some healer.
More coming, more coming.
Okay, kite, little bit kite. We need to get them in a little choke right here, right here, right here, up the hill. Okay, right here, you ready? Shocking now? Ah, fuck. Wait a minute, drop it. I'll drop it right here. Drop it, Branks. Kite, fucking killed. Come to me, behind the rock.
There's a lot of them coming.
This is so many.
So many, what the fuck? Holy shit! What? What?
There's so many.
Fuck!
Wow, they mad at us. And
Fucking make the jump.
Operation Save Ranks. You're still alive?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
Right on the rocks. This is good. Oh no, they're fucking spreading out in all directions. No. I'm dead now.